What are variables? You have seen your mother naming boxes in the kitchen. That box has a little storage capacity, and your mother gave it a name such as salt, sugar, tea, etc. Similarly, a variable is a name given to a location in the computer's memory to store values or data. A variable has a name for reference, a type which defines the kind of data it can store and its size, and a value, that is the actual data. Naming variables. Each variable in a program must have a unique name. You cannot use the same name for more than one variable. The name of a variable serves as an identifier. Rules for naming a variable. Some rules for naming a variable are as follows. Name your variables in such a way that it describes their purpose. Variable names must begin with a letter or an underscore. No special characters or spaces are allowed in variable names. Uppercase and lowercase characters are distinct. Keywords, that is the reserved words, cannot be used as a variable name. A keyword is a predefined word in any programming language. Creating variable. In 𝐕𝐚𝐫𝐢𝐚𝐿, we can create a variable using the variables block category. Once a variable is created, you need to assign a value to it. This process of assigning a value to a variable is called initialization. To create and initialize a variable in 𝐕𝐚𝐫𝐢𝐚𝐿, follow these steps. 1. Visit https://arcade.𝐕𝐚𝐫𝐢𝐚.com/. 2. Click on the New Project button. The Create a Project dialog box appears. 3. Type the name of your project. 4. Click on the Create button. 5. Click on the Variables blocks category. 6. Click on the Make a Variable button. 7. Type a name for the variable. 8. Click on the OK button. The variable is created with the specified name. In our case, it is A, and 2 new blocks. Block name, description, set A to 0, set to, assign a value to a variable, change A by 1, change by, increase or decrease the value of a variable by a specified amount. 9. Drag the set2 block and drop it inside the onStart block. 10. Change the value from 0 to 10. The variable A is initialized. 11. Click on the game category of blocks. 12. Drag the splash block and drop it below the set2 block. 13. Click on the variables blocks category. 14. Drag the block A and drop it into the message area of the splash block. The value of the variable is displayed on the output. Similarly, we can create many variables.